There are developments taking place in this story, and the Delhi Urban Development Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj has said that an all-minister meeting has been called at 2 p.m. wherein there will be the PWD ministers and other people from the MCD. Saurabh Bharadwaj has said that Public Waters Department and the government will talk to other agencies about what can be done so there is no further damage due to heavy rains and flooding. He also said that some arrangements should be made on war footing, and all those topics will be taken up for a discussion at the meeting.
जी, कल 24 घंटे में दिल्ली में बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हुई है। मैं वेदर रिपोर्ट पढ़ रहा था कि 1936 के बाद जून के महीने में कभी इतनी बारिश हुई होगी और जगह जगह पानी भरा है, लोगों के घरों में भी पानी गया है। मैं सुबह से अपने ग्रेटर कैलाश के अलग अलग इलाकों में देख रहा हूँ। APJ शेख सराय के पास हुआ, स्वामीनगर हो, चिराग दिल्ली हो, अभी हम श्री फोर्ट को इंस्टीट्यूशनल एरिया में है, यहाँ पे भी कई बेसमेंट्स के अंदर काफ़ी पानी भरा हुआ है और कोशिश ये है कि एक तो इसको पंप आउट किया जाए और इसी सिलसिले में ऑल मिनिस्टर्स मीटिंग भी हम लोगों ने 2 बजे बुलाई है, जिसके अंदर PWD मिनिस्टर हों, MCD के लोग हों, PWD के लोग हों और अन्य एजेंसियों से भी बात करेंगे कि क्या ऐसा हो सकता है जिससे जो है आगे नुकसान ना हो, इसके लिए जो है कुछ इंतजाम युद्ध स्तर पे किए जाएं।
Joining me on the telecast is my colleague Shubh Rana. Shubh, where are you? Water logging is across the board in the National Capital Territory. All right. Shubh, if you can hear us, there is an emergency meeting that has been called by the Delhi government, which will include the PWD department, which will include officials from the MCD.
Yes, definitely an emergency meeting have been called by Saurabh Bharadwaj, and along with Saurabh Bharadwaj, all cabinet ministers, whether we talk about Kailash Gehlot or Imran Hussain, even Atishi is also expected to come in this meeting. And after that meeting, a press conference would also happen, in which in the press conference they'll conclude that whatever is discussed would be said. And also in this emergency meeting, because since Delhi is all today, when it was the first rain of the monsoon and it looked like that Delhi is flooded, all the cars was submerged,
right?
And when I was reporting from Minto Road, although the situation was back to the normal there, but since this is the first day of monsoon and things need to be done, because it was expected that monsoon will come, because previous year there was Delhi flooding, but this time, just to make sure that the situation doesn't rise once more, therefore Delhi Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj is conducting a meeting with PWD officers, along with DDA officers and NDMC.
Right,
just to
right. All right. Thank you, Shubh, for giving us those details.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.